What's up, Zach? Day 17 here. So on my Zach Attack Challenge, I'm going to teach you a series of videos in regards to money, because when you go to school, school's never going to teach you about money or finances. And when you get older and you have, you want to get your own house and get your own job and things like that, buy your own car, you're not going to know how money works because they don't teach you in school. So I want to give you a head start and just teach you a little bit to kind of get you going on the right track. So today's video is going to be about money. Like, what is money? No, I know you think of money as like dollar bills, you get a birthday card, you get some money, but money is called currency. Now, the reason why money is currency is because currency is basically energy. Okay, so money is a form of energy, and this type of energy, money, is a form of stored energy. So for example, let's say you cut your grass at your house and your dad pays you 20 bucks. You gave him your service, in exchange he gave you a $20 bill. So that's a form of stored energy, and you can then take that $20 bill, you can trade it in, you can go to a movie theater, or you can go buy something at a store, or you can pay somebody else for their service. So that money, that $20 bill, is a form of stored energy. Now, money doesn't have to just be what we think of it as, like paper money in our pockets, wallets, and coins. So money can be very other things. It can be paper money, it can be coins. It can also be stock in a company. So instead of buying a Nintendo game, you can actually buy stock in the Nintendo company, and then you're part owner of the Nintendo company. So that's a form of currency. Digital currencies, you'll hear more about this as you grow up. Bitcoin, Ethereum, there's a bunch of different digital currencies, and that's another form of money. And then you have real estate, so like the houses can be a form of currency. So you live in your house, it doesn't really provide you an income, but if you ever sell your house, there's some people that buy houses just to sell them. So real estate or houses is their form of currency. Now, you can have other forms of currency too. So like back in the day, when I was younger, we used to trade baseball cards. So that was a form of currency. You could actually trade your cards and get some sort of good or service from somebody else. And like today, you guys have Pokemon cards. So you trade your Pokemon cards for other cards. That's a form of currency that you're doing with your friends. So today's video is just very basic. I want you to get in the habit of thinking about money as currency, and currency is energy, and all money is a form of stored energy to be used at a later date. So that's all it is. Now, there's different ways you can use this energy. It's just kind of like a video game. You can get your power-ups and you can use them at different times. So money's the same thing. So today's video, I want you to get familiar with money is basically just stored energy. And I'll see you tomorrow on the next video. Have a good night.